ask a lot, don't you, kitty cat? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I did not mean to wake you. You guys can't even see me right now. I'm so sorry. Maybe a little bit. I can't tell. I can't tell. I am looking for a drink right now, though I'm so thirsty. I am very bored and very thirsty. Should I stop with the accent? I don't know. You probably want me to. You guys probably want me to stop with the accent, but I don't really care. That was me, wasn't it? I'm sorry, guys. Creepy shot enters. And I don't know why I'm doing this. The shower probably isn't even that creepy. I'll stop, I'm sorry. So sorry. I forgot to do that for some reason. I am so mean. There better be some water out here, I swear. I'm going to be mad. They're not. I'm freaking excited. In this vlog at nighttime, I just got home from work a few hours ago. And again, once again, it wasn't even that long of a night. It was like, it was a very short night once again. Late start, early finish, and yet I'm still beat. I don't know why, I really don't. Maybe it's because I worked really hard, and in between working really hard, I just kind of talked up a storm with my friends there. I honestly have no idea. But I am very beat. Like I'm not as beat as I was the first night I worked. But I am still very tired. I'll probably be going to bed very soon. Yes, and just an FYI, I'm only trying to get back on the schedule here. I would be recording tomorrow. Well, of course I'm going to record tomorrow. I'm sure you guys don't care, but I'm just saying I'm trying to get back on the schedule, so I'm recording a very random vlog here just to try to get back on schedule. I'm trying to be very quiet right now because right above me someone is trying to sleep, and right below me someone else is trying to sleep, and right in the next room they're about to go to bed. They're not in bed yet, but they're about to, and I'd really rather not interrupt that. No, but okay, do I hear what I think I hear? Okay, earlier it was nice and sunny out, like really nice. Like obviously you guys saw in yesterday's vlog, but I think I hear rain now. Very late rain, but I still think I hear rain. Dang it, I think it is rain. That forecast might be right. Rain Wednesday through Thursday night. We're already flooded enough. We're gonna flood big time. And who even knows if this is gonna be the end of the rain. It might not even be the end, like this